Okay, at this point, you might have noticed that at the end of each Google Meet with your students, you receive an email that says meeting data from, and it has the name of the meet. This is the join code, and then it has the date. Now, some of these reports go into a folder called Meet Recordings, but from time to time, Google has been glitchy, and these reports are not moving to your Google Drive. They're just sitting in your email, your Gmail account. So what we're going to do is we are going to create a label for each of these emails that you get, so you can collect them, and you'll always have, you'll have like a good filter on them. So when you get an email like this, just open it up. You could see here, this is how it looks. It has your students' names, when they came in and when they exited, and how long they've been logged in. So when you get this email, you're just going to go up to this little label here. You're going to click it, and you're just going to type in daily attendance. You're going to just click create new, and then just click on create. You're going to see now that this email, it has been labeled. It's in your inbox, and it also has a label called daily attendance. If you want to make it look pretty, you could go down here and look to see where your label is. I'm just going to click on the three dots here, and I'm going to label it a color. I'm going to choose purple, my favorite color. And now if I go back in my inbox, I could quickly see where my attendance reports are. So if I click it, you could see here daily attendance. And if you want to go back and into every single time that you got an email and label it daily attendance, just click on the email, go up here, scroll down, and just choose this, and there it is. Now if you want to see all your daily attendance reports, you could just click on this tab here, and you'll see all your daily attendance.